So, hello guys, and welcome back to another live trading session. Today is 19th August, and right now, overall, the market is looking kind of bearish. It is bearish for the past sessions, it has been bearish. So, now the thing to be noted for this session is there are two point of interest present as of now. This 30-minute IFBG, this got ran through downside. So, I was hoping that it can, if it rejects this, then we can see a movement to the downside if we get a manipulation here. But we are currently breaking through that, and we have also broken through the 15-minute bearish FBG. Let's see this close. Okay, so it is right now 12:07. London. I have started the video a little bit earlier just to explain the overall bias for my trade today. Like, as every day, I don't have a fixed bias because see, I am like yesterday it happened. If I am okay, let me check. Let's say if my trading session is like, let's say my take profit is this much is just imagine this much take profit. So overall bias does not matter. I can either take a buy trade from here to here if my model works out, or I can take a sell trade from here to here. Okay, technically it doesn't matter, as well as the overall bias, but I'm just going through the overall bias. I've already gone through that. So right now it is kind of looking like bearish. Okay, but in the lower time frame, if you check, is kind of rejecting that. So yes, 5 minute if you see now, this is the nearest high which it needs to take. Now today I'm feeling a bit like previous, so that I had what you say, backtested that eventually London session opens, it goes and takes the high, then eventually comes back down to take the London low. Sorry, London Asian low. Okay, so it all depends on that. If we do get my model, then I will take. But if we do get an upwards single-sided movement, then because these are all LRL, okay, most probably these are all LRL. So we can see a movement to the upside. Let's see today there is news or not. There are no red folder. I didn't see CAD. There is red folder 6 p.m. I don't think so. CAD will affect Euro USD. There are some Euro USD, but already a low folder news. Doesn't matter that much. So yes, and yesterday the trading session I had missed this. Like you see here, this was the trade miss. It was in a point of interest change CISD then trade. But I didn't technically miss it because I had already entered this point. So I've deleted all that. So yes, if I would have not taken this, I have surely taken this because this was also a plus setup. If I just do this, go to replay, let's do the replay. I just do it till it. See here, I had taken this trade. So this was my trade. This was my trade initially CISD, then this was the trade. And initially, if you see here there was an opportunity here. You see here, manipulation in external sweep, manipulation. See, sorry though, this is the Asian session. I was talking about London session. Okay, let's go to this. Here. Okay, sorry, I missed my this and this looks similar. Okay, so this was my trade. Here I had taken a trade and I exited somewhere here. Now this was the trade. If you can see, it swept out internal lows, and there was also a point of interest. And as you can see, we got a change in the state. This was the candle. We got change. We got change in state here also. Here there would be no pullback, but if you can see here, here there was a change in the state in 1 minute time frame. Here there was a change in the state, as you can see, with the displacement. Pull back to the change in the state. First fair value gap entry. Either I would have entered here or here. Both were same, or I could have entered half position here and a half position here. Then the market just fell through. I would have booked my profit here only. Half profit I would booked up here, left it running. See, I don't care about missed trades because already I had gotten a trade according to what I had wanted. So yes, that's the overall outlook for today. Let's see what happens. Just need to wait and see if we get anything. Today also I need to be monitoring the 30 second because like it is a bit difficult to monitor 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 50 second all together. Because 30 second will move very fast. And 1 minute is kind of moving normally. A minute. So yes, that's the issue here. So yeah, that's it. Let's see what happens. I'll start the video again as London session opens. Then I'll start the video. 5 minutes is trying to get take this to 5. See, now we have shifted to smaller time frame bullish. Still, this high gets taken. This is the nearest draw. This one or this one. Let's see London. What it does. I'll pause the video right here. So I'm making this pause again. So if you see before London session has not even opened, so the market went and took the Asian liquidity. You can see if you go to the lower time frame, there is technically a model played out here. So the low initial manipulation. See this manipulation, that's why it is so important. Before I used to not care at all, like not care, like out of 5 trades, 2, 3 trades was not even manipulation, I would just take the trade. So manipulation is technically an internal sweep. So it's internal sweep, changing the state with the displacement. See it closed above here also, it closed above here also. Then pull back, either pull back or just you can take in the change in the state also, then you can see initial rally. Alright. So it has taken this high. So this will Asian high will be created new. See, if you do get an upward movement, just rally up, then there is no way to enter. Is there any point of interest that I can see? There is this 50. I think so. I need to disregard this 15. It got ran through the upside. Okay, so this high it is the midnight high, 3:30. 3:30 am. So this market open. New York high is here. London. This all have not been taken high. This high also has not been taken. Has it been taken? I don't think it has formed equal low. So take definitely my bias is bullish. But if you see here, it is bearish. So we can see sort of manipulation come down, or we can see just rally up. Also depends on the market. Let's see what happens. 1 hour is looking bullish. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, we can see a change in the state in the 1 hour. Let me mark that. If you get a candle close here, it can be a change in the state. The change in the state in 1 hour. I'll just pull it up here also. Okay, see this is change in the state. Series of round to candle or candle closes above that with a displacement. So if you get a displacement here, most likely I will take a bullish. My bias will become super bullish. Okay, so this can also be a initial rally up. So if you draw the cube retracement, it has rejected the 79 area, which confirms the market is taking this. If it had closed below, this would have been the confirmed drop. Since this got rejected so perfectly, the 79% fib retracement, now I'm thinking we can see a movement to the upside, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay, it all depends on whatever the market wants to do, and let's see what others. I marked the CIS. Let's see before it opens, we can see or not. See now, technically, if you close below this, we can see a trade. But London opens in 7 minutes, so I'll just wait for that. See, and the more thing I need to do is like wait a little bit more. I'm patient in my trades. I need to wait some more. Like if I find some more opportunities within the trading session, because whichever day I'm taking a trade, it's all between like 1:30 to within 2 o'clock. Okay, so now either I get a trade within that time, or I'm going to not trade. Let's see what happens. So 5 minutes closed about 15 minutes, it goes in 5 minutes. So I'll just pause the video. Otherwise, there's nothing to do. US London session has opened, will open in 3 seconds. So we see the 15-minute time frame. The market has given a CIS series of round close candle with a CIS with displacement. Now most likely I'm bullish. Not most likely I am bullish. This will be the nearest draw. Don't think so. I'm making any mistakes right now. This market has greens. This is the nearest draw. This high external has been taken. Sorry. Yeah. See, we can see a sweep. Like I need to see a sweep like upward somewhere here. Otherwise, this can just be a pullback to the change in the state and then boom, we go up. Also, London is opened. Uh, 15 minute has given us a nice closing. 1 minute. Okay. We can watch charting. So, technically, has this swept? I think so. It has swept the Asian high. This means because this Asian session closed here, London opened here with this sweep. Now, the thing that is confusing me right now is sorry, if the market is just within here, Asian session, and the London session also opens here, how can I call it a definite seal? Well, if the market would have been somewhere here, then it goes and takes London, then we see a movement, then I can say, but Asian session is here and London opened here. Oh, I see, just one pips away, not even half pips away from London. So that flip, I don't think, technically it counts. See, but displacement I have to see a lot if you want to go bearish. But now I'm bullish because in the 1 hour time frame, they have gotten a nice bullish momentum. See this candle, CIS with a displacement. Okay, I think so. These are all the draws of liquidity. But nearest draw is this. This is the high of New York, previous New York. It has not been taken. It is raining heavily outside. Okay, so we got a 1 minute market has jumped a lot in my MetaTrader account. See, this is not even that much high. Oh, this is what 5 pips. See, little wait and see. Yeah. 5 minute, 5 minute CISD is here. Okay, let's see where it is. 5 minute CISD here. Okay, so this is the 5 minute CISD. 1 minute, it can be here also, here also. Series is also series, not series. So if we see the 5 minute CISD here, the trade has to be here. Okay, let's see what else. In the morning, I didn't backtest. Tomorrow, I need to follow my routine. I'm messing up my routine. Backtest at least two to three sessions, 2 to 3 weeks sessions a day. Finish 2024. Then I'll go to 2023. Let's see what are this. There are no momentum as of now. Market is just consolidating. This can also be the initial manipulation. First 10 minutes or 15 minutes, the market then manipulates. But I don't like it to see this CISD feeling 30 second. Okay, it's consolidating. Okay, we did get a sweep. Just see this 5 minute close. Close. If it does close below this See, I'm having a bit doubt whether because this is bullish momentum. Well, now I just can't disregard this momentum and go for the bearish trade if we get a CISD. Okay. But nearest draw has been taken out, so that can be it. This is the buy side liquidity. Okay. Plus 5 minute gave us close inside the range. Let's see it and option. So definitely bullish. Don't think so. Okay, so I like to see an initial manipulation to the downside. Let's see what happens. Because high time frame is very bullish. We got a 30-minute CISD as well as a 1 hour CISD. It does not matter to that extent. But see, it's bullish momentum. And draws are all this LRL, low resistance liquidity. I think it's low resistance or low range. I think it's low resistance liquidity. Whatever it is. 50 current account, current account. Difference in value between imported and exported goods, services, income flows, and smart comparison previous month exchange rate. Foreign demand. A rising surplus indicates that foreigners are buying more of the domestic currency to execute transactions in the region. Okay, let's see the equilibrium of this range. I take here. Suppose it is the equilibrium. Before I used to take the white candle and then up close candle. So now I just take the full range because this is technically a not up close candle, but it's technically a resistance coming from here, which led to the move. This one is equilibrium, and this whole move. Okay, we have definitely not balanced to the equilibrium. We are generating buy side liquidity right now. Or rebalancing buy side liquidities. Hmm. I'll just mute the pause the video because the market keeps going. The video will become much longer. Let's pause. Okay, so if you can see here, 1 hour has rejected this. Sorry, this candle. You can see 1 hour is rejecting nicely, but I'm a bit confused because this bid it has given nice change in the state for the lower for this liquidity sweep. Like even if I do end up taking the trade here, bit confusing. 15 minute is also rejected. It's rejecting it nicely. See 15 minute. Okay, 15 minute has given a nice close. Okay. Okay, it has closed within the range, this candle. Okay, so this does make it a little bit clear for a down for a bearish trade. Okay, it has not swept this high. So has been left open. We can also see this is the initial manipulation. See, because overall the market is bearish, so this can just be rebalancing price to equilibrium. Then we can see initial eventually a move down. But the thing that is confusing me is where should the 1 minute CISD be? See, 1 minute CISD, this could be 1 minute CISD. I don't think so. This is being too far. If it comes to here, it is just going to fall. I don't think it's going to give entry till here. Also, I'll just be waiting, I guess. There's nothing else to do. Side FBGs are getting on slow again and again. 5 minutes. Just rejected this. 5 minute CISD is here. So if by the time it comes here, it will give entry somewhere here. So that is not worth the risks. But okay, so now we are getting a little bit bearish order flow. Let's see what happens. Yes. This yeah, it's a bit confusing. Not bit, it is fully confusing. I think so I'm not going to enter until I get a pure bias. Pure definite bias has been created yet. Okay, 1 minute has given nice order flow. This could also be the display. Okay, so this I think so I'm looking at it the wrong way. This can be the liquidity sweep. So if you do get a change in the state, I will be looking for a bullish trade. Because if you see here, okay, I was looking at it the complete wrong way. 15 minute we got a change in the state. CISD here, break of structure, margin substitute. Then 1 minute, this can be just pull back to the change in the state. Okay, because yes, let's see this. First target will definitely be here. Then since I need to keep it running, orders, all this there are definitely equal high. This can just transfer. Okay, doesn't confirm anything still. Mixed bias. Let's see the CIST if we do get not bad. 50% equilibrium. It is rejecting the 50. What the fuck it is doing? It is not going down, not going up. It is just consolidating. Again, we are getting bearish mode. So FC. Now the only thing I can take from here for a bearish trade is if it breaks through this point with a lot of displacement, pull back, then I can take a trade. This can be considered a series of down close candle. Can also be the pullback to the change in the state. Let's see this so we can do it. No, we are consolidating. What the- Okay, so we are seeing some movement, but it is just sweeping the liquidity. See now, I can either put my stop loss to here or here. That is a bit confusing. If I do end up taking a trade to the downside, Asian liquidity has been swept, manipulation. See New York, I don't think so it is going to get swept by this momentum. Okay, see it is swept again. What is doing? Is still 15 minute. Let the 50. Okay, let the 30-minute close. Then I can 7 minute. It will close in 7 minutes. Then I can get a solid bus. 1 hour will close in 37 minutes. 1 hour. See the 1 hour time frame. Okay, see not a lot of rejection from the top. It can still go up and initially fill up the gap. 15 minutes has given us a nice closing, but this candle should have turned bearish by now. It has not done that. Let's see what that is. See the range I have marked. Let's see which side we get a CISD first. I need to see a lot of displacement. Until I see a lot of displacement, it's no use of taking a trade. I think so my SL will be here somewhere. I put here SL. Okay, it's 4 used. So I entered the trade, I'm going to call it out. Still in the range. 15 minutes equal 6 minutes. Let's see, let it close. Okay, yeah, seeing some movement. If it sweeps again one more time, nothing I can do. Okay, it has closed below the CISD. Not a lot of displacement, not looking good. Let us see some flows here. There is no heavy to go across against. 30 minutes will close in 4 minutes. Let's see the close. 4.30 seconds will close in. Let's see what happens. Hmm. Everything is bit confusing because of the 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour has just eat up all the previous price action. So that's why this needs to close within this range. To see the higher time frame draw, let's say we took it from here. I can take it from here only. Let's see here. See, this is the exact 50% zone equilibrium. It is balanced equilibrium. So, so that's the issue right here. You see from here. This also has technically within the 50%. Chart. Please, please, we can see some sort of another position. No, there is no CIST, SMT, SMT. Yes. No, there is no sir. See, it's technically CISD, but no displacement. This is just okay. To close in 2 minutes 23 seconds. Let's wait till that time. This is one. It is within I think. I think so just because there is no USD main the side is being like that. Let my stay USD problems. First day Euro. Okay, Thursday I don't think so I'm going to be trading. So many Euro news. There is also this unemployment. Unemployment every time it just consolidated. So Thursday I will trade. Friday, what the fuck is this? Okay, Friday Powell speaks that also I think so it will be a little bit off. So today is Tuesday. Let's see. Neither did we get a sweep. This one 30-minute closing, 1 minute 20 seconds. Let's see what happens then. Mm, Consolidation. Holy consolidation. You know, this can be initially AMD model, then it can just come down. Can go up also. Hmm. No fixed. But let us pause the video. It is being too long. So right now we are seeing a momentum to the downside. As you can see, I paused it somewhere here. It went and swept the internal. This can also be internal. I was waiting. Like before, I was saying that we can see a CSD, then we can trade upwards, but I was not feeling like it because of the 30-minute candle. And as you can see, this is the Asian high. This one, this sorry Asian high here. So this Asian high is this is the Asian high. Let's see. Okay, this is not. Oh, so this is the Asian high. This one, and it's the whatever it is, something external got swept, then internal. This didn't get swept, so that is a little bit concerning, not a lot. But if you see a CSD, I'm going to be entering. Uh, This is the internal sweep manipulation, and it give a nice sweep also. If you see it, if you had seen a displacement, a little bit of candle close above the CI, this price point, then this would have been my target. But no, let's see the CISD here. See now, 5 minute is still rejecting. I think so. Today is a Panoti day. I don't know what is happening. So this is the game plan as of now. If the game plan changes, I'm going to pause the again. I'll make the video again because time is going at it again and again. Let me pause. So we are seeing some momentum. If it does sweep this, then there is no availability. But if it goes below this, then we can say. Others, I'm not. I'm just going to close my trading session as of today. So today, because we are fully consolidation, London opened here, just consolidation, just sweeping high and high again and again. I don't know why. Okay, so I need to see some close here. This is I was about to enter. I thought the market closed here, but it retraced back within 3 seconds. Let's see what happens. It swept the high once more. Again, it is going over. What? The 15 minute has not created a top week. So right now, this right up market update. We have not yet taken this New York high, which I'm a bit concerned about. But if you do get a breakthrough of this FBG, then I'll be looking to enter. See, let's see the displacement right here. Okay, again it's to the low. What the fuck is it doing? This side has not been swept. This is the equal high. I'm going to be waiting till 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Then it's done. No more waiting. Shit the bed. 5 minutes order block now. Or it's reacting to order block. 15 minute has is showing nice bearish momentum. See, 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is also technical showing. This can be the pullback to eventually go higher. I don't know. Let's see this close. 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 I need to say close. Is functioning rightly? Not quite good. Okay, it has rejected it completely. Luckily, I didn't enter. I don't know what is going on. Rejecting, then again going back. Rejecting, going back up. Okay, we have emitted it. It has shown a nice what is gap down. It's a mic on. The mic is on. Let's see the close. 5 minutes. That is nothing. Here, that's not. See this close. 15 minutes was not bearish. Bullish only. Let's see the close. Okay, we have gotten a close. See a pullback. Back, pullback. Okay, pullback. We are getting. Okay. I have not entered yet. Okay. Shit. I think so. I missed my entry. Okay, okay, let's see this structure. Okay, nicely. Let's see. I'll take it here. If we do get an entry. I think so. I'll enter half more position maybe. No, it is one. See, we got a change in the state in the 5 minutes. If we close here, let's see the close. 2 minutes. See, still no pullback. I don't think someone to enter. No pullback. See the 5 minute closure. No pullback. I don't think so. I'm going to enter. Pullback to here. See, if you just move directly, there is no entry. This will be the last price point I will be waiting to enter. If you don't get a pullback within that point, I'm not wanted. You should have entered here only. After this close. Yeah, closed here. Closed here. This should have been my entry after this candle closed below this. This should be my missed it. If I enter now without a pullback, it will be a lazy entry. Okay, 5 minute close. We can see some little bit of pullback. 5 minutes. Wow. Fine. Okay. Nicely done. This is the 5 minutes. This much. Okay. It's going to take that directly. Okay. Okay. So technically, we have just run out of the trade. Predicting this from when and just it came. I have not entered. With this shit. Oh, this is going to get taken. So done for today. I think so. Shamla is hit. So I wanted to see a pullback to the change in the state, but there is no pullback. How can I just end up of a friend now weeks? Uh, this fair value gap is the minimum. It comes there, we are impact. This or this. Let's see my see here. What's the SL to SL is being extended. Looking at. Technically here I should have entered the trade. This was the mistake. Now if it pullbacks here, then I'm going to enter it. Because this should have been the entry. Okay. After this FVG got ran down, this should have been the entry. 76781. So this should have been the entry. This gets taken, then there is no use of waiting for a pullback. This will just break through, most likely. There is no, this can fall a little bit. Okay. Let's see some bullish momentum. Eventually to take my point. I placed my entry. What is that? Limit order. Stop loss is high. Let's see what happens. Place my entry here. 82, 82. Just to enter. Let's see what happens. 15-minute closes in 2 minutes. I don't think so. I'm going to get out. I see. I'm not going to get entry. So what time frame? Where could I be entry? Technically, I can also look for a 5-minute entry. If it break through this displacement pullback, then I can take a trade here. That will be less likely because if I would have entered here, see if I would have entered here, this was I would have entered here. Here, if I would have entered here, stop loss over this high. This will be the first take profit 0.5. Second take profit will be here. Third here. And keep the runners 0.5. This would have been the entry. Okay. And then pullback. If you do sweep this, keep it for entry. See, this is just me chasing the price of it because there was no accurate entry point over here. Just ran through with no little bit of pullback. 1 minute as it got ran through here, I should have taken the entry. I was waiting, I might get a better entry price point, but no, didn't get that. Okay, so 15 minute has just closed. Let's the pullback. Let's do the equilibrium. I don't think they'll pull back to the equilibrium, but okay, so I've entered here. The position's not here. Technically, okay. She can put my stop loss here. This is what 16822, 16822. Oh, so yes, I did enter my position here. The price point is 07, 07, 07 or 70, 67, 67. Okay, so exact price point as you can see here I've entered based on this 5-minute FBG. If it does goes to the middle, I'll enter my half position again. Stop loss is above this high. We did not get the CSD in the lower time frame, sorry, 5-minute time frame. 15-minute is looking nicely, like looking good. Right. So that's the thing now. I put the SL here. Okay, so this is only $7 $9. Okay. Where should I put stop loss? Mhm. Reading from bullish momentum. Initial entry was supposed to be here. We could have got the entry. So I've done my entry. Let's see what happens. I'll update you. Both stop loss are above that high. Let's see what happens. So welcome back. I was just I had entered my position. I was eating, and as you can see, I've entered here. One position I've entered here. One position I've entered here. So now, as this low gets swept, my stop loss will become break even after this low gets broken through. So at that time, okay, so it has been broken through. As I started eating, as you can see, I'm watching this video and eating. So I'm going to put my stop loss to break even, both of them. This one was for which one? Okay, so one I will need to put it real quick. Okay, so the above one I'm putting stop loss break even. The two entries that I had done. Okay, done. One is done. Then one I had entered here that I'm not going to be handling a little bit. Let it run here at least. Okay, so that's the current update. Okay, it is closing nicely. 5 minute also. 10 minute has a nice very structure. So yes, this is the trade I have entered here 0.67. See, I'll add it here because stop loss is above this high, now it is above this low. Both okay, second stop loss I'll put it above this low, above this high, sorry. Okay, so initially I'm risk free. Now it is what I like to call it shitting the bed. Shitting the bed. See, initially I had predicted this movement overall. Okay, so there is nothing new to it because initially I would have entered here. Here only you would have entered, but I got the entry here, no problem. So I'll delete this. And yeah, that's the current update. I'm going to continue eating. I was eating like I have not just taken, I've taken 2-3 bites of my rice. Step on, step on. See, 5 minute has given a nice closure below the part. Oh, it's okay, I accidentally was about to close my PC, close my laptop. Sorry. We should be seeing a movement down in the recording. Yes. So today, like after a lot of waiting, we have quite a bottom the trade. My initial take profits will be here. See, I put in my stop loss to break even. So if it doesn't even returns, I'll get out for no specific reasons. So I'm going to continue waiting because I've already put my stop loss to break even. Yes, I'll update after the trade is finished because I think so. I'll keep it running. Let's see what happens. It can also return because this much move was guaranteed till here. This move was guaranteed. So if I entered here, this would have 1 is to 1.5. 1 is to 2 if I would have put my stop loss at 79%. Okay. So yes, let's see what happens. I just finish it and update you guys after what happens. Uh, once one see I had entered two trade, one I had entered here. So like my overall position, I divided by two. So half I entered here, half I entered here. So this above one which I had got nice entry, I had put my stop loss to break even, and the second one I put it above this high. Okay. So that's the one done. We are supposed to get momentum. This Asian low has to get taken. There is no way other way that it goes. So yes, I'll update you guys at finished it. See, I can put my stop loss like take profit here of 116,687. 16687 is how much? 16687, 16687. Oh, so 166. It was nice momentum. Okay, I think I should put my here my stop loss there. Sorry, take profit. Let me go to the 5 minute time. See, because the thing is, here market can just run through this, okay, because there is no proper low here. These are not proper low, these just a higher low to grow higher. So I'm going to put my one tick here. Oh, I'll put the upper top of stop loss. PV 166. Not clear it's in this trade. Okay, yeah, I think the best I should do is just keep it running. For the stop loss break even it does return, I have done everything in my capability. Okay, so that's it for now. That's it. So back again, as you can see, the market is still consolidating within this 1 hour FBG. I'm contemplating whether I should close or not, or what should I do. I think so. I'll close. I don't know. It's up not a lot. 1:1, 1.5. What should I do? It's consolidating too much. Now, if I do end up closing, it will just run through my initial what I want to see, just break through this 1 hour FBG. That will be a little bit tough. See, it's going up and coming down, going up and coming down. 1 hour, let's see the 1 hour. Okay, I'm definitely keeping this on. I didn't see this rejection in the 1 hour time frame. I'm definitely keeping this on. This much rejection does just prove that we can get even below. But if it takes out, I don't know. I don't see. Another thing issue can happen is it can sweep this and eventually give us a buy model. I think that this is what is going to build experience for me. So I can just look at the market and understand what it wants to do. Looking at it like this, technically you can say that 1 hour FBG will get respected, then we move to the upwards. But overall, it is bearish. It didn't take this liquidity. For all this liquidity, we rushed. We got. Okay, 5 minutes is going to take out. I think so. I'll just keep it running. I'll update once the trade gets stopped out. I've explained fully trade everything whatever I've done. Video has become 1 hour 13 minutes long. I need to edit it out. So yes, the market has stopped me out. As you can see, it consolidated here for a lot of time. It came here also 3 4 times. And as I said in the previous time that I was looking for holding this because the 1 hour time frame was rejecting this continuously. But as you can see, it has rejected that FBG. Now, one thing I could have done differently in this trade was either okay, either I could have took my take profit here, but I entered here, so it would have been 0.5 ADA trade. So that's the issue. I think so. I did everything well. Eventually, I was hoping that this 1 hour ABG can get ran through to the downside. So yeah, that's it for this video. I've done everything. I'll just put this in the journal. So my initial stop loss was here. After it broke this low, I put it here. So yes, I have put that in the journal also. So yes, I need to edit the video now. It's become too long. So that's it for the video. Bye bye.